Hey, good morning, folks. Welcome back to our daily dice opening. We are on a little bit of an interlude right now because we are between our daily dice boxes. Our new one is going to start on the 1st of April, so that's Wednesday. So I look forward to seeing you all then. In the meantime, we're reviewing some of my favorite dice from my own collection because you guys asked to see some of the other cool stuff I had. So the first day that we did this, we saw these cool Gen Con exclusive Genevieve dice from Gatekeeper Games. And I actually just realized this morning. The bottom of the container, the lid comes off, and on one side it says Gatekeeper Games, but then I put it back the other way when I put these away last time, and it just says these are your dice. So I kind of love that. So those are fun. Yesterday we looked at my metal dice box from Die Hard Dice. Those are really nice. And today I want to look at another Gen Con exclusive 2019 die. This is a D6. You can see it says Gen Con 2019 on one side, and then on the other side it says crystalcaste.com 2019. So this was their Gen Con exclusive die. So in order to get this, what you had to do was you got a coupon when you got the coupon book for Gen Con, and you could take it to their booth. And at their booth, you handed them the coupon, and then you got to grab a die. Now, once you had that, if you wanted to, you could buy a set to go with the rest of the dice. So I believe that they had a set of D6s. You got one, and you could buy a bunch of other D6s to go with it. But the other thing you could do was buy another box like this one, where your exclusive Gen Con D6, there we go, that one, fit in with all of your other dice, so that you had a Gen Con exclusive D6, and I believe they had a Gen Con exclusive D20 in that. So when I was deciding which dice I wanted to get as my Gen Con exclusive set this year, I had a very hard choice between these and the Genevieve dice, but I ultimately decided to go with the Genevieve dice because I really like the colors on those. The weird thing about this die, so there's a couple cool things about this die. So first of all, you'll notice that two sides of it have words on it, which is a little complicated if you actually want to roll it, but it's very cool for a collector's item. The other thing that is really cool about it is if you actually can see inside, and you'll see this better in the close-up, you can see a little bit here, there's an inclusion in the center that looks kind of like a ball of metal, or a ball of gold. So that's really, really cool looking in real life. So check out the close-ups below. If you want to see more of their dice, you can see crystalcaste.com for some of their other dice. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow with another set of dice. Thanks. Have a good day, guys.